We are walking through floor plan A today. This is a 1-bedroom. When you walk in your door, directly to your right is your pantry. You can use this for extra storage as well, or coat closet. And then directly next to that is your kitchen. So this one has beautiful upgraded cabinets, and there's tons of counter space in here, as you can tell. So lots of storage in your kitchen. And this one overlooks your living and dining space. So to my left here, over here is where you can fit your dining room table right under that light. Perfect space for that. And then the kitchen overlooks your living area here. You can see those beautiful big windows pouring lots of natural light in. We'll go see this from a different angle so you can check it out. So great open concept. So you can see the living space and the dining room from your kitchen. And then we'll walk down this hallway here. So this first door is your linen closet. And then directly next to that is the bedroom. So again, a great window in here and lots of space. So just about any kind of furniture you have will fit. And then we'll check out this massive closet in here. So pretty fantastic. All of these storage pieces, you can have extra for all the shelves. Lots of space in there. And if we walk down the hall this way, check out, this is your bathroom. And when you walk in this door here is your stackable washer and dryer. And that comes with your apartment. And then the bathroom. So you have this great vanity here, the big mirror, and the tub shower combo. So lots of good space in here. And let's go check out that living area one more time.